So hello everybody. This is just a quick update. So I made a video a while back stating that this Saturday I'd be doing a live session, which basically for an hour, basically you guys could ask me anything, just talk to me, whatever you want to do, right? I was thinking, I'm thinking of making it a weekly thing, but I'm not exactly sure. Depends on how it goes tomorrow. Anyways, I was thinking of making it 12 p.m. tomorrow, but the thing is that tonight I'm working. I'm doing an overnight shift, and so I'm working from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. So I'm not gonna be up for 12, and I could set an alarm to get me up, but I have to work overnight again on Saturday. So that is like a no-no for me. So I'm gonna have to sleep in. So I'm thinking of doing this at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I know some of you guys aren't in the Eastern Standard Time, or it might be a bit late for you. So let me know, right? If you guys really want to be a part of it, and that's just not a good time for you, then just let me know. Cause if anything, if enough people say that it's not a good time for them, they want me to do it earlier or something, then what I'll do is that I'll just come home, sleep at 7, set an alarm for 12, do this for an hour, and then at 1 o'clock I'll just go back to sleep. You know what I mean? So just let me know which one you guys want. I'm setting for 6 o'clock, but it's not set in stone. So let me know in the comments below, right? Please let me know, because this is for tomorrow. Because I wanna make it a convenient time. I wanna make it a time which is convenient for, if not all of you, most of you. So that's it for this update. Don't forget to comment below, please. If you inbox me or anything, about the time, I might not, like, I don't know if I'll check it or whatever, but the like everything, I'm gonna be checking the comments mainly, right? So if you leave a comment below, then I will see which time is suitable for you. So if you say like 6 o'clock is suitable for you, make sure the time that you name is in Eastern Standard Time, okay? So if you say that you want like 5 o'clock or whatever, make sure whatever. Or if you're stating another time, like if you're stating like 6 o'clock in another time zone, let me know which time zone you're talking about, which is most convenient to you, and then I'll arrange a time which is best, and then later on tonight, I'm gonna make another video, or later on, yeah, later on or something, I'll make another video informing you on the time that it's gonna be. So that's it for this little update. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.